It's all about saving time in the kitchen. And the Vollrath Instacut is a tool that just saves you an insane amount of time. And of course, saving that kind of time means you're saving a lot of money. And that's what this business is all about. For the last 10 years or so, I've been working at really large kitchens, like corporate dining concepts and universities and colleges. And for places like this, where we're feeding up to 7,000 people every day, having a tool like this is just a game changer. This makes all the difference in the world because you can give this to just about anyone and say, chop 50 pounds of anything, and within minutes, just about anyone can do it. And on top of that, you can do just about any cut that you can possibly imagine, from tiny dice to long slices. It happens to me all the time that I go to a farm and I end up with a lot of cabbage. And so one of my favorite things to do is just to preserve it by fermenting it. And using this tool just makes my life so much easier because I can do it in no time at all, and I can go through many, many pounds of cabbage and turn it into something delicious and fermented that I can later use for a variety of dishes. And for beets, we do a 2.5% fermentation, which means that I first put the beets on the scale, then I add the water, and whatever that amount is, then I get 2.5% for salt. For the risotto, we did a 1/4 inch for the onions and the tomatoes, and then we used a 1/2 inch for the eggplant. Now that I have my own business, and as I grow it, I can bring people in and I can ask them to do the same thing, and I know that it's going to be consistent and it's going to be exactly the same. It just makes my life a lot easier.